how to turn green messages to blue on iPhone. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn those green text messages into blue ones on your iPhone. Stick around so you don't miss anything important. First, green messages mean you're sending regular SMS text, while blue means you're using iMessage, which works over the internet and is exclusive to Apple devices. To enable iMessage, open up your Settings app. Once you're in, scroll down to bottom and open the App Store. Scroll down or just use the search bar at the top and type in Messages. Tap on it. And right here you'll see an option called iMessage. Make sure that switch is turned on. It might take a few seconds to activate. Now head back to your Messages app and try sending a text to someone who also uses an Apple device. If iMessage is working properly on both ends, your message should now appear as blue. If it's still showing green, make sure the person you're texting also has iMessage enabled and is using an Apple device. If they're on Android, unfortunately, you're stuck with green. And that's it. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching and see you in next one.